This video tutorial I will explain how to get and select the collection and delete one document from the collection using Java program. Here you can see order database. It has a product collection and product collection has three documents. We will see how to delete one document from this collection using certain criteria. Here I have defined the class delete document. Now I am going to run this program in debug mode. Here I am creating a Mongo client object using a Mongo client constructor which accepts host name and port number. Then I am calling get database method of Mongo client object and passing database name as order. This method returns order database object. Then I am calling get collection method of order database object and passing collection name as product. And this method returns product collection. Here I am calling deleteOne method of product collection object and passing the filter criteria. Here I am mentioning the product name is Alexa. So what this method will do is, if the document has product name as Alexa, then this method will delete the document. And this method returns delete result object, and from delete result object I am getting the count and displaying that. And here you can see one document is deleted. Click on refresh and you can see one document is deleted. You can get the Java source code link from the description section of the video. To see the description in mobile, click on this icon and it will expand like this. Then click on this more button to see the description. And in the description, you can see the links. And click on these links to get the Java source code.